If you want to unblock someone on WhatsApp, there are two easy ways to do it, and I'll show you both. First method, unblock directly from the chat. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat of the person you blocked. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an unblock button. Tap on it, then confirm by tapping unblock again. And just like that, the person is unblocked, and you can start messaging again. Second method, unblock from settings. Open WhatsApp and go to your settings, usually by tapping your profile icon or the U tab. From here, tap on Privacy. Then scroll down and select Blocked Contacts. You'll now see a list of everyone you've blocked. To unblock someone, simply swipe left on their name and tap Unblock, or tap on their name and choose Unblock Contact. That's it. They'll be removed from your blocked list immediately. Quick note: once you unblock someone, they'll be able to message you and see your updates again, but you won't receive any messages they sent while they were blocked.